We got the Baker Act shirt, y'all. Baker Act shirt. While they laugh, while supplies last.
What's up? 4,000 subscribers in a year. Awesome. On YouTube, 11,000 on Instagram, 6 on Tik. Appreciate you. I know Iron Butt Challenge when I see one.
I love you.
How you been?
I'm blessed.
All right.
Yes.
I see you that camera fence.
Right.
What? Hey, that camera made me look good, girl. Power Moto. P-O-W-A Moto. Subscribe today. All right.
I love it. We stay on 2 wheels.
How are you and me been friends on Instagram and YouTube for so long?
I know.
You coming up, girl. You killing the game. It's Honda Harley, girl.
I love your consistency.
What? Consistency. I can't do without with my lady riders. You guys are killing.
Right.
I'm trying to keep up with you.
That's right.
I'm trying to keep up with the girls.
Look, speaking of one.
Got the girls. All right. So what'd you come to see today?
Of course, the bike show.
Okay.
The bike show. I'm out here vending. I got some throttle treats, chocolate chip cookies. Check them out. Only $5.
Okay.
But the bike life.
Okay.
For sure.
Cool. And now, you represent South Florida too, right? You're down
Yeah, I'm down here.
Okay, good, because I saw you go to Bike Night Broward. I'm like, she's got to be in the area. So you went to Bike Night
I pop out everybody. I love everybody. If you want tools, I love you.
Awesome, awesome.
I do the same thing.
¿Cuánto es, mi amor?